Back, kita jauh yang mana kira itu Lango LNC dan dia. Kita minta kau bercek berarti fact, arti program yang kita jauh, including collecting my father with his legacy. Kita Johnson Kobuke is perfect. Kami kamu ini gila motif ada ini. Orang yang menjauh itu cuma minta, terus I'm not within the country, I'm more the chef of Penang, I wasn't there, but we were okay then. So, and I'm a cook tea, don't think another cook. I want that team of you with a opinion. Opinion of your people kept like market and okay. Opinion. At the pinnacle to you, put that book on your hands. Compare voice of land, the cut of the kingdom, war, Masha, the cut of the kingdom. And attack no, in the middle of the attack. I need it. In fact, can I tell misguiding her? Obelanita, you know, my power. Omara will pay me copy. How Omara will read copy politician and double person of Bella Boba and Pachimi Boba. Omara was on top of this thing. That one will be a chief advisor in meeting each other. And I had to chairman, go ahead, don't want to come look to it. Niche advice and betting on go by June. And I'm saying, Omara was younger than me. Omara will be doing.
It's okay, yeah.
No, but that's the truth. I must speak the truth. With the dwelling. The issue is, and I will chief advisor for Johnny. That will be the meeting full time. That they may advise. I mean, Nimi, Kachia man, put it on. We have the facilities there. But and he was there. They had to people live. It's all right, man. Put one go, Johnny. You love politics, beat it on. I don't like it. I don't like it. And that's why I'm very firm and very calm. I'm not moved. Omara Paul was there. That I need again. That there could be kita need to shop the one million people look go and get Jacob. They don't know yet. I mean, the Kubuma, take over me. Can you take that could be one? Take over me. And you can take the ring back. I need to build a minister of investment. Take the ring getting out. The Uganda Investment Authority. Take the ring. And when you do now, what minister, what president, would you call your block up anywhere? That could be like a word of 19 well. You don't know it. So if you know that, why did you tell me? Monday you don't come to more. I have his Omara. Now everybody, I will play his voice and be ashamed. So this is what happened. So Omara will be one job. While Omara will show a world in is useless. Now then for you, people are uncle. He was in the architect of Pokolo. He was part of it. Get and take it and after MP. That's why he was copied. Amadola Harpon, yeah, Monuki or Manangate. Tell you. But the truth will set us free. I'm not the thief. So, the whole issue is named misunderstanding between Uganda Investment Authority and the minister and the Uganda Investment Authority. I learned from him. Take the list of investors as I mean, okay? And then I take them out. Minister take them out. And they are parallel. They are both yet in the same office. Under her. So pay your hand. Iginan back here. Low only one bill, one year canon. Low only build to pay. Low the cash like my baby. Put pork while you're on your matter. Put it in that process. What Chana. I may put them. Can't entitle to put it can still be cancelled. It's worthless to tell you. Because I did this thing under the directive of the minister. Second one, I got here, and I'm more as a company. I'm not copying you. I don't want any pro copying your call. The same letter, the copying can go out. The copying can do the same thing. So, Petty Kinoro, and a team, I'm a criminalizing hand. I'm a more than the criminal. Petty Kinoro, a criminal, Petty Kinoro, can you tell the court that Petty? Does it? Pierre Patty Mukino, I mean, out of legal, I may Patty Mukino, more than a cat party more. Now, the issue of the Kubu, I'm to Kubu more than Timere. John, no, why? I'm all here good mornings. I'm not sure what Prime Minister. I acted on it. Okay, I don't know the petition. I call it a petition. What Prime Minister to follow up this issue by taking a president over Anita, I'm going to accept. I think I got him once. I could cow. I think I could be cow in cow. Kita Morris. I'm not remember that facilitating women. What we need to do is let's stop the process until we are advised by the Prime Minister. Because it's a fact. So what I did, the cow wrote a letter and I've given a copy to. I gave a copy to Morris to stop the production department. They are taking the copy under his supervision, cow supervision. Cow actually work and name because I don't want to take the issue by audit or the General's office in Gulu. Like I'm very worried because this issue, it seems to be people are using as a political tool. I'm not going to accept this one to happen. I'm going to write a letter as you told me, which I want to take me and signing a dispatch of the other. So when I stopping this transaction ordered by Anita. So Loboni, I mean, I got your copy, we have stopped it. Diana, I'm Alama, you come work and a cow, the cow could be a penalty of my board minister. I have written to the minister. I'm going to deliver tomorrow, personally. I mean, you copy about Morris. I'm going to give you a copy of my submission to the minister, rejecting, refusing, or halting the subdivision of Lobuja. We can't know building come. Because you can tell me I don't want. That's what I've done. So at time will sort out and will shorten up your meeting. People pay time. We will only pay work at the pay of your account. Gina Chairman to look at it. And now the Chinese gentleman would pay chairman. At a young Morris, I mean to meet him about pay. And 1 or 2 days after, you mean that the best of the we have looked for the money, we have got the money for transfer. Can you give us a title now? I said no. I said no. Because people are confusing me. No, that we take men up. Men like Minister Minister Nita, the Uganda Investment Authority. I told him no. Because the down and generation of America. At the time, built him or made him begin. I want to say this on camera. I was even told by Anita herself. This Uganda Investment Authority are crafty people. They get land free and they sell to investors. I want to say this. I stand to defend it. And I told them when the investment authority called me, I said no. I said no. I'm not going to do it until I get another directive from what? From the minister. This is what I did. Look at your job. Be an anti-mobile. Couldn't an anti-mobile go. Because I don't really copy. Let me do it. No, to happen right. Not now. I can't to be. So, can you tell them no more? Go no more. Go no more. I don't want to. I don't know. I met a call man. One of you went to our office. Then staff, council, executive. To go to Orik, Omara Bow. Can need to Nigeria. What a portion in Nigeria? What a portion in Nigeria? Which are loaning 100 million per acre. So, when you take 1 billion, 100 million times 200. Only alone
1 billion per acre.
200 billion. Chino would come in Nigeria. You're Nigerians. We're Nigerian. This is stupid. This is radical. I can't believe this. And I work Nigeria on my own business. On my own business. I'm a Christian. I'm a born again Christian. I go for service. Okay? I would be my own. I would be that particular ticket. And I worked at Ghana. Anita was not there. Marabal was not there. And it came from one of you. And he's a very big person. I don't want to say his name here. So I'm not, you don't look at me and think I'm very poor. I can survive. I'm not very poor. I am a very hard-working man. I am coming from a very humble family. And I worked very hard to be who I am today. I've been a national consultant. I'm here just for service. So, when I don't men claim me have this political career. When you men and you can later you think you're going to pull me down. The heavenly God I serve is greater than any other God you talk about. So, can I motivate them? So, I'm in that war, Morris. Me here, you look at me. Loboni, Tiber. The only approach we could use was wrong. About me, who must take. Then fair pay the work. I'll be careful. Can you look? Means that they try to go to I can look at one of the investment authority. Kita orang aji ni kerja. Dah tu kebuni kono. Logo ni tu lah apa ini Uganda Investment Authority. Nanti kita pun kau papat. Kau ni kau papat pin di lain cikgu. Hanya ada cara. Ada puas pun mana. Pengen orang batam ni sini. Aku rumah kau perlu cakap. And then because I need her to talk to me. I'm telling you as a brother. You know, because of that conflict. The Uganda Investment Authority, I don't know, but that's what she told me. Very much take it well, may resisting directly with Mojo. But then the old man here, Mojo Papa, make it the same content. Make a mother resisting much of the way. Menu Paro, particular one. One go to Ghana to love of Bobo, but I can't tackle me. I come up. Nianta, and I come over, no Bukito. So, one thing I'm going to get I don't pay. Bala yang tu aku ni. An expert in land laws or land systems, anti-expert in agriculture and education. Etu kinana ngeo ame sabe ya wakobi wa system agini tiuke de no. Bienda ne no timere. Mea people state. In a year, and I'm monkey, new team, what Akibo state. A kind of want to be a people state in law, and people state in jail. Or Polo, which are in Lira of government. I attend on transferring National Council of Sport, they've been facilitating the transferring law which are from Lira of government to National Council of Sports. And I'm here, Akibo, Jahogere. Gumabe matiro apwel and every general sector. So me ana new kitu no kinala new no be article ngecha kunga karmono. Eto kitana no kede title chetu po Poco contatto c'è io. Ni mante to perché io non spoke. Then it transfers down or transfer. And you know no don't know. Huh? Yeah, tell you. Boy, you make it no. The one where you don't get about now me we have to survey one pay. Or people come this year. Kita think get Uganda Investment Authority. Binu che le cienta me che lo copo che le metto per fare faccia. Cogno dimo qua. But I said to God, okay, the and that's how it is ended. I'm not a team. Pero na vini ko kile me but ata wo ma ja. You need we go to battle. We want more chin do kile to kile adi. Ada ko kile no one no problem. Ono ma mo di me. At one case.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.